I'm gonna put this on mine. Thanks, man. Oh my, so this is a sun deck. Is this the sun deck? This is the sun deck, right? Oh, we can go up there too?
Yeah, you can.
Wait, what? Oh, this is all new to me. I'm not from here, so. Dude, look at this, man. This is gnarly. This is gnarly. Look at this shit. Look at, there's the port. There is the port. And we're on our way to Victoria. Right now. There's Vancouver. There's Delta. Delta's over there. At which we just came. We're on the sun deck. This is deck 6. Oh no, deck 5, I believe. I'm pretty sure there is an elevator on this vessel. Oh, there's the horn. I think it's gonna blast its horn 3 times. Oh, we're moving. We're moving. Holy shit. We are moving. We are moving. Oh my god, look at the seagulls. Seagulls are on the ocean. Seagulls! Seagull! There's the horn again, the ferry horn.
Arrival in Sports Bay Terminal, Victoria. We hope you enjoy your crossing with us this evening. Please stand by for the following departure and safety announcements.
We'd like to welcome you aboard BC Ferries and the Spirit of Vancouver Island. We want you to enjoy the journey and be safe. So please listen to our quick safety tip. First off, every member of our crew is Transport Canada Marine Safety Certified. In the unlikely event of an emergency, they'll be your guide. You'll need to stop what you're doing and follow their directions. They'll guide you to the emergency assembly areas and to the life jackets located on decks 5 and 6, and the marine evacuation system located 5. A crew member may ask you to put on a life jacket. Here's how to do it. Press the red button on the bottom buckle and the 2 small black buttons on the top buckle to open. Pull the bottom buckle outward to extend the strap. Pull the life jacket open and place over your head. Wrap the bottom strap around your back and click it into the buckle. buckle in front. Now click the top strap below your chin. Ensure both straps are tight and secure. Check that the bottom strap is around the middle of your back, not your waist, and tuck the remainder of the strap behind your back. If you need a hand at any time during the sailing, please let a crew member know so we can help. Don't forget you're on a ship that can sometimes move unexpectedly, so please take care and use handrails and watch for high door sills. Be careful on outer decks that may be wet or strong winds that could knock you off balance. Help your fellow passengers stay safe by keeping bags and out of aisles. In keeping with Transport Canada regulations, passengers are required to leave their vehicles and exit Deck 2, the closed lower vehicle deck, during the voyage. As a reminder, pets must remain in your vehicle or in the designated pet area on Deck 4 or the outer deck pet area on Deck 6. To access the pet area on the outer deck, passengers can follow the paw prints from the shelved stairwell up to Deck 6. Please stay within the yellow lines when on the upper outer deck. Dogs must be on a 1 meter or 3-foot leash, and cats must be in a carrier at all times. Pets are not permitted inside passenger lounges, except when accessing the steering wheel. Guide and service dogs are permitted in all passenger areas of the vessel. Ship movement and vibrations will trigger your vehicle alarm. For the comfort of fellow passengers and pets, please do not activate your alarm while on board. For information on how to lock your vehicle without setting the alarm, refer to your vehicle owner's manual. We're proud to provide a smoke-free environment. There's no smoking anywhere on board vessels or at terminals. This includes the use of e-cigarettes. While on board, check out our wide selection of food and beverage options. From sandwiches, salads, baked goods, and freshly brewed coffee, to white spot burgers and a variety of hot entrees. Enjoy a variety of pastries and light fare fresh from the oven, as well as made-to-order Starbucks coffees and teas in the Arbutus Coffee Bar on Deck 6. Or if you prefer a quiet place to relax, stop by our Sea West Lounge for light snacks, magazines, and freshly brewed coffee. You can also visit Passages for a great selection of West Coast-inspired apparel, specialty items, and gifts.
Now.
Other
We're on the
amenities
ferry
on board
right now. We're
include
leaving
workstations,
Victoria.
apparel
Oh no,
trims,
we're leaving
and few children's
Tawasin.
play areas.
And
On
you can
behalf
see
of
all
the
the ferries
captain and all
right
of our
now.
crew, please enjoy your voyage.
So we're at the passenger deck. So I'm gonna go back to the car deck right now. This is BC Ferries. I've never been on a ferry that is alright. Deck 4. So we're going down to 4 and 2. This is deck 4. Access to deck 6, deck 5, deck 4, deck 2. So now we're going down to the second car deck. allowed to be down here, right?
No.
You gotta go up? Okay. Go back up to 6, 5, 4. This is the ocean. Welcome to the ocean, you guys. I think there's another ferry out there. There's the big port. Going down to the port. And we're at the BC ferries on the Spirit of Vancouver Island. And we're heading to Victoria, which is 2 hours from now, so we can't go on deck 2. This is deck 4. This is the upper car deck. So I'm gonna go back. Oh man. So we are I'm gonna go. Actually, I'm gonna go around these cars so they're out of my way. Sorry. Oh. Down. Woo! Gotta be careful going down the stairs. So I think this is deck 2. Pretty sure we're on deck 2 right now. Where do we go? Is this deck 2? The lower car deck? I just want to. Oh, it is. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Yeah. So here we are. Deck 2 and calling the elevator. Are we allowed to walk down here? No. I kind of figured. Let's go back up to 6. 6 is the passenger deck. Deck 5, Coastal Cafe. We'll go there after. So, this is deck 6.
Anyway, a much more dangerous situation. Please be discreet. Yeah, we're gonna go down to right now.
This is the passenger deck. Now we're gonna go outside, and I'm gonna open up the door. Man, this is insane. Is that another ferry over there? Oh my god, it is. It is another ferry. Yep, there's the other ferry. I don't know what type of ferry that is over there, but that's the other ferry. This is the Spirit of Vancouver Island. That's the ferry that we're on. This is my first time on this ferry, man. I'm not from here, but
Take a picture of you?
I'm good, man. I got photos. I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, nice. What's your YouTube channel?
Josh Strelief.
Let's search it out.
I'm on YouTube.
Are you live streaming right now?
Yeah.
Okay. What is it?
Josh Strelief. I'm all over the internet, so
Josh.
I'm not from here. I'm from Kamloops, so this is all.
Kamloops?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. How do you spell it?
Joshua, and then Strelaeff. And it's the one with 700 and
That's you?
that's my older one,
Nice.
but I have another one
I'll
too
check
as
it
well.
out, man.
But yeah, I'm all over, man.
Alright.
Yeah, man, I never been up here on this deck. Is it like, do they blast a horn when they
Oh, yeah.
do an active pass?
Yeah, it's gonna be loud.
Is it like an actual whistle?
It's loud.
It is loud.
Like that.
Oh, like a bird. Thanks, guys. Thanks, man. Oh my god, never been out here. Man, this is the ocean. Imagine dropping a phone. There it is, Spirit of Vancouver Island. And we're heading right down to Victoria. Victoria Swartz Bay Terminal. We're 20 minutes on the video right now. And then it's got text from the US. We're crossing the US border. Hey guys. Thanks.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, brother. My first time on the ferry, man. My first time. This is my first time on the BC ferries. Never been here. Never been to Victoria. Oh my god. So you can access it to deck 5. Deck 5 is right here. We're gonna go up the stairs. There's a dog. Everyone's inside. I should put away my... fly away off the ferry. Holy crap, it's freaking windy up here. Oh my god, it's freaking windy up there, man. I'm not from here, I'm from Kamloops actually, so we have no ferries in Kamloops at all. I like this stuff though, it's the better, man. Going to see my, one of my other family that's in Victoria. I'm a YouTuber as well. Yeah, so I do this all for YouTube. I post all on the internet, so that's what I do now.
My first time too.
Is this? Yeah. Don't they usually blast their horns through an active pass, or is that? Hey? Do they blast their horns when it's through an active pass, or?
I don't know. I'm not too sure.
Yep.
We'll find out. Give it anything.
So this is deck 6. There you go. Here's the washroom. There's the elevator. I'm on deck 4. So that's 2 floors down. There's the stairs. In the Spirit of Vancouver Island. We're at BC Ferries right now. Welcome aboard the Spirit of Vancouver Island.